Landing a job in the UK starts with crafting a CV that meets British standards. In this video, I'll walk you through designing a professional UK CV format in Microsoft Word, step by step, so you can confidently meet recruiter expectations and stand out in the job market. First, let's set up the document. Start by writing your name and job title at the top. In UK resumes, a profile photo isn't necessary. Leaving it out makes your resume more ATS-friendly, increasing its chances of being shortlisted. Next, add your contact details. Begin by inserting an icon for your location. Then replace the icon. And add your phone number. Next, add your email. And finally, include your LinkedIn profile. To make the header visually appealing, we'll add a subtle background. Now, it's time to create your profile section. Keep it short and impactful because recruiters often focus on this section first. Think of it as your elevator pitch, quick, engaging, and memorable. Moving on to the experience section. List your recent roles, focusing on key achievements. Next, add a skills section to showcase your top abilities. Now, let's combine your education and certifications into one section. Be sure to include any relevant degrees and professional qualifications. Finally, we'll add an interests section. This is optional but can help showcase your personality, perfect for standing out in creative industries. And that's it. Your UK resume is ready to impress. Good luck with your job search. You can download this UK CV template for free using the link in the video description. If this video helped you, hit the like button. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more resume making tutorials. Thanks for watching.